one, we're going to find the antiderivative of f if we're given the second derivative of f, which is 8x cubed plus 5. Then we're going to find our constants using this information. So for the first one, we'll just find our first derivative by taking the antiderivative of our second derivative. So just write down your 8. You're going to write x to the fourth, add 1, then divide by that number, plus 5x plus c. All right. So this is going to reduce to 2x to the fourth plus 5x plus c. Now let's evaluate, and we're doing our first derivative, so f prime of 1. So plug in 1 into those, and you're going to get 2 plus 5 plus c. Now, we know f prime of 1 is 8, so I'm going to substitute that for 8 equals 2 plus 5 plus c, or this is just 7. Subtract 7 from both sides, and you get 1 equals c. So therefore, our final answer for our first derivative is just going to be 2x to the fourth power plus 5x plus 1. Now we're going to do it one more time to find f. So let me write this down again. F prime of x was 2x to the fourth plus 5x plus 1. Now we want to find f of x. All right, so write down your 2, then we go to the fifth power, so divide by 5, plus 5x, go to the second power, divide by 2, plus 5x squared. Oh, we already did that one. All right, and then plus x, because remember this is just like x to the 0, so put your x. And then since we already have our c, let's write this as d, so we can change variables. Simplifying this, we get f of x equals 2/5 x to the fifth plus 5/2 x squared plus x plus d. Now we're using this one. So f of 1 equals 0. So when you plug in 1 in here, you're going to get 2/5 plus 5/2 plus 1 plus d. Now I'm going to use my common denominator as 10. So if you use your common denominator as 10, then we're going to multiply these by 2 to get a 10. So this is 2 times 2, which is 4, plus 25. And you multiply both of these by 5 to get a 10, plus 10. Now that's going to equal 39 divided by 10. So all of this is 39 divided by 10. And we also know that f of 1 is 0. So I'm going to write this as 0 equals 39 divided by 10 plus d. Therefore, d equals negative 39 divided by 10. So I can substitute this and plug it in there. And I'm going to go ahead and erase this. And this is going to be minus, minus 39 divided by 10. And this will be your final, let me squeeze that in there, answer. That's it. Thank you. Have a nice day. Bye-bye.